Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Cadillac Escalade step by step. We'll start by laying down the fundamental structure. Think of it as building a strong foundation for your artwork. Focus on getting those initial proportions correct, as they are crucial for the final look. Use light lines so you can easily erase and refine your sketch as we progress through the steps. Next, let's refine the main body of the Escalade, paying close attention to its iconic silhouette. Start to define the front grille and headlight areas. Then, move on to sketching the wheel arches. These should be bold and well-proportioned, giving the vehicle its powerful stance. Remember to keep your lines clean and confident.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this drawing tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more art tips. And on another note, after you're done drawing, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the cleanup. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, so your art space stays spotless. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now we'll add the windows, making sure they align with the Escalade's sharp, modern aesthetic. Pay attention to the angles and reflections. Then, it's time for those smaller but important details. The door handles, side mirrors, and roof rails. Don't forget the signature vertical taillights and the sleek front headlights that define its presence. Let's move on to the wheels and tires, which are crucial for grounding your drawing. Take your time to make them perfectly circular and add some tire tread for texture. Include details like the hubcaps and even a hint of brake calipers. Finally, start applying some light shading to create depth and make your Escalade truly pop off the page.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.